Skip the construction zone. This one's ready to go. This gourmet kitchen nails that floor to feel. Crisp white finishes, gas cooktop, a massive island, and a sleek porcelain sink. This nearly new Drees-built Palmetto plan in TrailMark gives you over 3,300 square feet, 4 bedrooms, and 2 flex rooms. Perfect for an office, gym, or playroom. Fully fenced yard overlooking a pond, private, peaceful, and ready for your next sunset. TrailMark's lifestyle seals the deal with 2 resort-style pools, kayak launch, pickleball courts, a dog park, and miles of walking trails. Move in before the holidays and let Santa bring you keys instead of gifts.